Alright guys, so let's look at our next question from Cat24, the first slot. Please pause the video and give it a try, and then you can resume the video for the solution. So this was one of the easiest questions of the Cat24 slot 1. The selling price of a product is fixed to ensure 40% profit. If the product had cost 40% less and had been sold for rupees 5 less, then the resulting profit would have been 50%. The original selling price in rupees of the product is. So in this question, we'll start by assuming the cost price initially, CP initially as 100x. And now the selling price is fixed to ensure 40% profit. There is 40% profit on 100x. So the profit is 40% of 100x, that is 40x. That is why our selling price will be 100x plus 40x, 140x, right? Further, if the product had cost 40% less and had been sold for rupees 5 less, okay, then the resultant profit would have been 50%. So let the cost price be 40% less. 40% of 100 is again 40. The new cost price is 40x less than 100x, that is 60x. And if the product had been sold for rupees 5 less, then the resultant profit would have been 50%. The resulting profit is 50% on the new cost price 60x, right? 60x ka 50% would be half of 60x, that is 30x. So the profit is 30x, cost price is 60x, the selling price is 90x. Now you can very clearly observe one thing. The selling price has reduced from 140 to 90. This reduction is 140 minus 90, 50x, which has been given in the question as 5 rupees, sold for 5 rupees less. So 50x corresponds to 5 rupees. What do you wish to find out? The original selling price in rupees of the product. It was 140x. So 50x corresponds to 5 rupees. 140x would correspond to how much? Very simple. 50 is getting divided by 10 to become 5. 140 will become divided by 10 to give us the answer rupees 14. That's the answer to your question, 14 rupees.